Hey team, Rue here. Look, super quick video to chat about how you can finish 2018 super strong. Seriously, I've got some tips for you and a little challenge if you're up for it at the end. You see, we're finally entering the last quarter of 2018 and it's time for me in the last couple of months where I reflect a little bit. You're probably similar. You reflect a little bit on what the goals you set at the start of the year and of course what you achieved or maybe you haven't achieved. And for me, of course, I'm doing exactly the same right now, having a little reflection time in my business and my personal goals as well. And something that I set right at the start of 2018, and I wrote it down, do more video. So if you're familiar with my work, you know that I'm not a huge fan of video. I don't use it a huge amount. I'm pretty bit of an introvert, really. I'm not as much as it looks. I'm not a huge fan of the camera, and you might be similar. So I've decided to come out of my comfort zone, and my first ever video, I've decided to bring it to you from the beautiful Amsterdam here that you can see. I hope you're enjoying the backdrop. It's a rather sunny day here in Amsterdam. Right now, this is on the 7 bridges in the center of Amsterdam. It's a beautiful day here, and as you can see, all the tourists are enjoying themselves as well. I live just around the corner, a couple of minute walk here, so I tend to come for a little walk down this side of here. This is the Prinsengracht, and get some fresh air as well. So I hope you're enjoying the scenery, and that's what I want to do. I wanted to bring you some good quality content in the video format, and you're going to see a lot more of that. That's been one of my goals. This is me committing to it. So I want you to think a little bit now as well. What goals did you perhaps set yourself at the start of 2018 and you haven't yet achieved? I bet everyone's got a goal on their list that we've got this stage of the year and it hasn't quite happened for us. So this is what I want this video to do. I want them to be actionable for you as well. I want you to think about what you would like to achieve in the remaining couple of weeks, or a couple of months really I should say. We've got 12 weeks left of 2018, because one of the things that I've really taken away over the last couple of years is to work in 12-week years. So there's a book called The 12-Week Year, no surprise there, and this really changed my sort of ideas and outlook on creating a really productive environment for myself in short pieces of time. So you can achieve a big goal in this space of time. So I want you to think, maybe it's to double your income. That's totally doable, still in the 12 weeks that we've got here. Or maybe it's something a bit more simpler like I have got here, which is to do a little bit more video, right? But whatever it is, I want you to think about that and commit to actually going out there and achieving it as well. So you can, of course, accept my challenge now if you're up for it as well. What I want you to know and to think about is the goal you'd like to achieve in the next 12 weeks. What is it? Yeah, you can share it with me in the comments below. I'd love to know. I've shared mine with you, so the more feedback I get from you guys, the better as well, and it helps with accountability too. And accept my challenge and let me know how you get on with it. All right, that's it for now. Peace out.